How to redeem promo codes on Pokemon Go. The first things first is you won't be able to redeem the code by using the Pokemon Go application. So all you have to do is just to open up any web browser from your device and just simply type in Pokemon Go. Now from here, you'll just have to tap on the Pokemon Go's official website and you will be redirected to the homepage and Pokemon Go. All you have to do is to tap on the blue icon right here at the upper right hand, then go to Store. Now in here, just tap on the three lines. It's actually located at the right side of Sign In and tap on Code Redemption. Now sign in to redeem. Now right here, you'll just have to choose on the account that you have used from your Pokemon Go application so that you'll be able to redeem it on the same account. So you have choices right here like Apple, Facebook, Google, um, Niantic Kids, Pokemon Trainer Club. So just simply choose on what specific account you used the same with the from the application, and you will now then be redirected to the redemption page. Just simply type in your redeem code, and you are good to go. So that's how you claim or that's how you redeem promo codes on Pokemon Go.